Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're on our way to check out a RV garage pool home for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 3141 Silverspoon Drive. This one had a recent price reduction down to $889,999. Nice paver driveway, kind of a south central location, a little more south. So you still have a ton of side RV boat type parking on this side. It's a little bit different of a house that we're used to seeing in Havasu. All right, guys, so the owner was there and we're going to do a little voiceover. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 2007 square feet. Sits on your standard 10,000 square foot lot. Was built by the owner. A little bit different than what we're usually look at with the contemporary style, but it's still open floor plan, split bedroom layout, tall ceilings, has 8-foot interior doors. Zero carpet in the entire house. Does have triple paned windows throughout the entire house. Nice quartz topped counters. Big kitchen island. Black stainless appliances. Little walk-in pantry. So you have the master at the rear of the house. It's a pretty good sized master. Has a slider out to the backyard pool area. And they kind of separated the master bath off the master bedroom. You have dual sinks with the quartz tops. And the floors are like a vinyl, like textured vinyl. Same with this shower tile in here. It's kind of a cool little deal. You have your walk-in closet. That's a little barn door back to the living area. And then you have the other bedrooms and guest bath on their side of the house. This would be guest bedroom number 1. In all 8-foot 4-hinged interior solid core doors. You have your little guest bath, quartz counter, tile walk-in shower all the way up to the ceiling. So this would be guest bedroom number 2. So you have your indoor laundry and access to the garage. You have a 2-car side that's 20 feet deep with an 8-foot door. Both doors are glass paneled. You also have a 60-foot RV garage with a 14-foot door, full hookups, epoxy floors, 2 mini split AC units, and they put a little loft in the back with stairs. The whole house has a water filter system. So you have a little courtyard that leads to the pool area. Nice travertine decking. They did the silver travertine. That's what I did at my pool. I really like it. Real nice pool and spot. It is heated with propane. They have the pool equipment behind this little vinyl wall Pretty private. This house is on a fully passive solar power system. Side parking goes all the way back. Hey guys, HavasuLew back in with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video of the house over here on Silverspoon. Again, this one is now $889,999. We'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can always get the latest pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.